In Glojas, day 7 is very important day for us. We are looking for all the graph, the intact, the angle, direction and the density. Day 7 today is adjustment time. Whatever the graph is here. Now it will start to shed within 2 weeks to 3 months. After 3 months, it will start to grow. Around 9 months to a year, it will reach to the maximum growth. We call it the optimal growth. Now today, all the micro scabs is not there anymore. It's already shed. Patient have done a very good smart graft care. The angle, the direction, the density is very important to get a good result so that light is unable to go through here. So we are very happy to see. We already seen all the hair. The density is good. This is on the right side. The left side here is slightly deep and wider recession.
I would like to say thank you to Professor Dr. Jas. Thank you, Jas.